Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, Rachel Reviews. We have a Wantable unboxing. It's the Country Girl edit. And I gotta tell you, I peeked. There ain't nothing country about it. I cheated, okay? Trusty rusty screwdriver is here. I pretended to check out so I could see what was in the box because I'm impatient and I'm like, what are they even doing? What are you even doing right now? Yeah. Speaking of, what are you guys doing? What are you doing as you're watching my video? Are you folding laundry? That's what I like to do. Or like sometimes even cooking dinner. I got a YouTube video on. Or in the bath. I don't know, you know, just wherever. When I'm getting ready in the morning. I'm trying to fall asleep at night. All that. If you haven't noticed, if you didn't watch my Stitch Fix video, I got LASIK. And yes, my eye still has some bruising. If you can see that red. Get close. It's completely normal. If you ever, see an eye doctor if you're worried. But like for this procedure and stuff, red like in your eye when it's something like that from like a trauma or surgery, whatever, it's typically bruising. I'm not a doctor. I do work at an eye doctor, but I'm not a doctor. Take it with a grain of salt. But yeah, it's just because like there's no skin over your eye, obviously, so that's why it's like, oh, so bright red. It's going away. It's great. My LASIK went great. Everything's awesome. All right. I unboxed it while I was talking. Here's our bundle. She's floppy. There she is. ASMR. Anyway, if you haven't tried Wantable before, they send you the mailer to send back the things you do not want. They have a note, which is always so personalized. And if you haven't tried Wantable before and you'd like to, there's a referral link down below if you would like to try it. I think it waives your styling fee. I can't remember. It does something for you. Hi Rachel, happy edit day. Saddle up, we're headed for the countryside. I had so much fun picking 7 easy, flowy, and adventure-y pieces for you. I hope you'll have as much fun wearing them. Blah, blah, blah. I picked out some stuff from the stream. I topped off your edit with highly rated bottoms and this ultra comfortable lake season sweatshirt. Okay. But yeah, there's nothing country-y about, like no flannel-y things or like cut off short, like I don't know. There's nothing like that in here. Spoiler. Okay. Blah, blah, blah. Enjoy, Shannon. Thank you, Shannon. Here's the first top. And it's funny because in my Stitch Fix, there was a tank top this color. So yeah, what is country about this top? I ask you. This is a work top. There's nothing country about this. I think she took things from when I requested things from my stream for like a regular style edit. So like, what's the difference? You know, like they have these themed edits. There's nothing country. Yeah. Anyway, this is my favorite t-shirt of all time. This brand, 78 and Sunny, whatever it's called, I can't remember. We'll say it, all prices and names at the end. But this is the best t-shirt. I have it in like 5 other colors, as we know. So if all else fails, bam, yellow. Yellow t-shirt for me. Woohoo! All right, this one, yeah, I remember requesting this from the stream during the Desk to Drinks edit, I think. So yeah, it's a surplice top for work, not country girl. It's very textured and very soft. It's very nice, very nice. All right, this feels like a towel. This must be like terry cloth or something. But this is, it says lake season, which could be cute. It could be cute, but that's more like a summery, like, I would call this, I would put this in like summer bonfires edit. You know what I mean? Something like that. But it feels like a towel. Let's see, polyester rayon. Okay, the inside doesn't feel like the outside. Luckily. Sorry if this is negative, but I'm just being honest. All right, and then we have some shorts by Vervet. Vervet. They're kind of cute. I guess these could be country-ish with the cutoff there. What are these? Mid-rise girlfriend jeans. These two. This would be like a lakeside edit or like nautical nights. maybe I should wait for Wantable naming their themed edits. Nautical nights edit. And it has a rolled up hem. It is not sewn. We all know how I feel about that. But I always say this, more so in shorts. When it's like a cuff short and they're not sewn, that cuff is gonna come off. With the pants, it usually doesn't, but those could be cute. And then lastly, we have some Liverpool, also full-on jeans. It's summertime now. It's June. I'm not really wearing jeans. Sorry, was that intense? I also got my hair cut. It'll grow. These are very soft, you have to say. They are also, okay, these ones are sewn. Big cuff at the bottom. No distressing. All right, let's try things on. Okay, here's the first top. Nice work top. Nothing country about it. I'm gonna go feed the chickens in this top. I'm not. It's nice. Nice work top. It's like very much the same as my orange flower one I just kept a couple boxes ago. It's nice. Nice work top. Say that 5 times fast. Nice work top, nice work top, nice work top, nice work top, nice work top. I'm trying to get down. So the jeans feel really nice. I just don't need them right now. They feel really nice. The cuff is sewn, so it's like a nice kind of length. If you were to wear jeans in the summer, or even in the fall with like some, you know, booties. Booties, but they're cute. Liverpool, very expensive. Let's do more. The next top. There we go. Now, I really like the texture of it. I never know how to do like this part though, because like if you put it here, that's going right across your boob. If you put it down here, then it's going under your boob, and I just don't know. I just don't know. You could make it as high up as you want. You could wear it like that even. I just think it's a no. Here's the back. The sleeves are really cute. And again, I really like the texture. See if you can see the texture of that. It's really cute. I think it's just a no. It's a no for me, dog. Okay. Sweatshirt's cute. It is a really cute sweatshirt. I have to say, the weight of it's like, even though it's kind of thinner, it is kind of heavy at the same time. Does that make sense to anyone? But it's cute. I like the little slit. So yeah, I mean, it would be good in the nights here. It does get pretty cold. So if you were like having a bonfire or something after a long day at the beach or whatever, camping, it is nice. Here's the shorts. They're okay. I'm not sure how I feel on the length. I'll pan down. Hello. This is a cami, it's not my skin. I'm not sure how I feel on the length. I think it's okay. I do like the cut off hem. What's that? The raw hem. They fit okay. Wash is nice. Yeah. There's nothing country. There's nothing country about it. Like this should be like a lake life box, or not even, because like that's workwear I just tried on. So, okay, let's do the last outfit. Well, I think I'm getting a new shirt. I just love this shirt. You guys know this. I'm sure you're so tired, but it's just the perfect shirt. It's perfect. Here's the pants. And it's like a lemon, and like it's a very summery color. Because like my other colors are like kind of like a burnt orange. I have black, I have gray. Like this is a nice summery color. The pants, they fit fine. I do feel like a conductor in them, you know, a train conductor. But they fit fine. It's just, what is country? What is country about this? It's not. cute. They're something different than just jeans. They're just not country. So, okay. On that note, let's go over prices. We'll see how expensive everything is. It's Wantable. And yeah, they're expensive. Prices. Here we go. The high-rise midi short in Done Deal by Vervet, $69. The Sam sweatshirt in Gray Lake Season, size large by Thread and Supply, $66. It was a nice sweatshirt. If you were a camper, like I said, or like, you know, lived on a lake, you're outside all the time, that's a nice sweatshirt. It felt like a towel though. Slinky Newport cropped tee in lemonade, which is funny because I made lemonade fresh for the first time. My husband and I were off for a week for anniversary. We take off every year, and I was making lemonade like every day. So easy. If you want to know, it was a cup and a half of lemon juice, 1 3/4 cups sugar, which is a lot. With 1 cup of water, you boil it, make that simple syrup, and then you add like 5-6 cups of water to. I did find that with the pitcher I was using, that recipe made 2 batches of lemonade, so like 2 pitchers worth. So I would do like 3/4 cup of the lemonade juice, and then like, I think came out to the same thing, like 1 cup or something of the simple syrup, and then water and a bunch of ice. And that's it. $46 by 78 and Sunny. I have my $21.20 styling fee for the box because they charge tax on your styling fee. And then someone signed up using my link, so I got $25 of credit, so thank you so much for using that. Let me find your name so I can shout you out. So I think I'm gonna be keeping this because it's gonna cost me like $1 plus tax, so thank you so much. I really appreciate it. It helps me get more boxes if I have credit to use. So let's see who you are. Thank you so much. Let's see. It doesn't say your name, it has your email. So I'm thinking your name's Anne. Thank you, Anne, for using my referral. And then someone else signed up too just a few days ago. Tracy, thank you. Thanks for signing up in advance. I really, really appreciate it. And I hope you have a really great box. Anyway, the printed roll tab knit blouse in Sage White by West Key, originally $58, on sale for $43.50. The short sleeve textured solid wrap front knit top by Lovapella, $54. The Charlie Cuffed crop skinny jeans in Sartell, the dark jeans by Liverpool, $98. I would never. And the Carter Girlfriend jeans in Railroad Stripe Conductor by Jag Jeans, $78. So yeah, as it is, Mama's got a brand new t-shirt. It's very summery though, don't you think? You guys can't be mad at me for always keeping the same t-shirt. Yeah, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you watched all the way to the end, comment lemons, like a lemon emoji. Do it. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.